Exploring everyday English. Fireplace ashes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, fireplace ashes. This might seem simple, but it's packed with cultural and linguistic nuances that are fascinating to learn about. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase. First, let's break down the phrase. Fireplace refers to a special area in a home where a fire can be safely lit for warmth or cooking. Ashes, on the other hand, are the powdery residue left after something, like wood, burns. So, fireplace ashes are the remains you find in a fireplace after the fire has burned out. It's a common phrase used in English-speaking countries, especially those with colder climates where fireplaces are more common. In many English-speaking cultures, fireplaces have a cozy, homely connotation. They're associated with warmth, family gatherings, and relaxation. The phrase, fireplace ashes, not only describes a physical substance but also evokes a sense of nostalgia and comfort for many. In literature and conversation, it might be used metaphorically to describe something that has burned out or ended. Handling fireplace ashes is a practical aspect of having a fireplace. They need to be regularly cleaned out for safety and efficiency. This phrase might come up in discussions about home maintenance or when giving instructions on how to care for a fireplace. It's a great example of how everyday language can include practical, real-life tasks. And that's a wrap on fireplace ashes. I hope this video has been enlightening and has given you a deeper understanding of this simple yet intriguing English phrase. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the culture and practicalities they represent. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.